Note that these are not the original blades. This fan I don't think had blades when the previous owner gained ownership of this fan. So he drilled holes in generic blades to fit these Reversaire brackets. And this fan, along with my brown one, my brown 42-inch, did not come with canopies. He said he forgot to pack them when he came down here. That's no big deal since they're hanging up here. Doesn't really bother me. And one of the blades is slightly warped. Now, since this is running clockwise, I do not want to leave it running too long, at least, well, for at least an hour I'd be fine with it, but if it's for like over an hour I wouldn't be fine with it because this has the capability to unscrew the J-hook a little bit, which could cause the fan to fall. That's the disadvantages to reversairs and adaptairs. I'll show you counterclockwise quickly. And since the blades are sharply pitched, it is moving the low ceiling series a little bit. Yeah, it's moving a pretty generous amount of air.